Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, you're most welcome to be part of the family. So enjoy the journey with me. So now I just finished editing my vlog, and guess what? I found out that I just started vlogging in the middle of the day. Like no hi, no bye, nothing at all. So we were doing the video shoot for Nahil company. I was super late and I had to do my perfect makeup, and we were recording the videos all the day till complete evening. So without further ado, let's jump into the vlog. Here are the quick shots of us working in here, right? Let's go have a secret. But my makeup can melt. Here. Oh, really? So, the next shot is where? At the swimming pool. So we are going over there.
On my mind, so say it with hope, and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be. But our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about. Yeah, we were wild and free.
So it's 50 degrees outside. We are melting. Babe!
Yeah? Oh.
What are you? Oh. We are melting. The makeup is melting. The phone is not working because it's so hot. Whatever. It's so hot. So we are on the heat for how long?
Half an
For
hour.
half an
40
hour
minutes.
already. And you know where we are going to shoot? Right there at the sun of 50 degrees.
I'm not excited about it.
I am excited. You have to like, show that you're excited. 1, 2, 3. We're excited!
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Yeah!
She's already out there.
Enjoying
Waiting.
this creative woman just shopping.
I'm completely melting.
I was melted.
Oh my god, well, we got some.
We cannot eat it.
Oh, I cannot eat it. So that's not funny anymore because it's really hot outside, and it's like off. Even the camera is not working. Everybody.
What is the music?
So now will be the shot in the water. Transition to the water. So we are super tired, and everyone is feeling fine.
Just get my mojo back.
Oh my god. So we've been on the sun already like an hour and a half, and it feels like a hell, but what to do?
One start. Okay.
So a few updates. We are still filming, and I got burned from the sun. Gia.
You want to see my knee? My bird. Only this. And that's it.
And here is some French in here. Let's go, let's do some
Final shot.
cinematic shots before we jump into the water. Oh my god, I'm so red. I didn't expect that. Are you having fun, baby?
Yes.
I have to zoom into your face. This is fun. Oh my god. Even on camera you can see how red I
See,
am.
like on this side I'm red, on this side I'm white.
So wild and free, and you know everything about me. You know everything about me.
And then happened this.
Did you see the video? Did you see the video? And she's recording.
That's the last shot that we've
Yeah.
taken. We're done. We can go home.
Yes.
Yes. Oh yes.
Oh yes, oh yeah.
So we changed. Are you tired?
I'm so tired. I'm so burned.
So what do you think about being a model?
I love it. You have to love it. It's not easy. Everybody thinks it's easy, but it's not.
Yeah, but you were tired already.
I'm tired because I cannot stand the sun. That's my big problem. The sun and the heat. I don't like it.
I love the sun, but the heat was really, really, really strong. So this is after the jumping into the water. So now we will go home,
Sleep. Take a shower.
take a shower, and sleep. And
And
tomorrow
put
is
some yogurt.
Smetana.
Yogurt.
smetana. How is it?
Sour cream.
Is smetana?
Yeah, sour cream. Smuntuna.
Smantina. Oh. Yeah, and we'll go to sleep because tomorrow is another day. Yeah, so we will end vlog right here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. Subscribe to my channel if you still
Hit the like
didn't,
button.
and hit the like button. So we will make some more videos like that. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
You know everything about me. 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 Save me from myself. I really need your help. I'm going under. Save me from myself. All I really ever wanted is if I'm really going under. Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. 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 You know everything about me.